Kaizen is a philosophy of continuous improvement, emphasizing incremental refinements to processes and practices. It fosters a culture where all employees actively contribute to optimizing efficiency and eliminating waste, driving sustained organizational advancement. In this episode of S&P Knowledge Series, let's discuss on the topic Kaizen principles. Everyone, every day, everywhere can contribute small and incremental continuous improvements, authored by S.N. Panigrahi, certified PMP, authorized training partner, ATP, instructor, PMI USA, fellow Institution of Engineers, FIE, chartered engineer, certified Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, certified lead auditor ISO, IMS, Z and Lean consultant. Adjunct faculty L&T Institute of Project Management, IPM, member board of studies and adjunct faculty Symbiosis Center of Distance Learning, SCDL, corporate trainer, mentor and author. Let's first discuss what is Kaizen and brief history and origin of Kaizen. The term Kaizen itself combines two Japanese words, Kai means change, and Zen means good, literally meaning change for the better or continuous improvement. It evolved as a systematic approach within Japanese manufacturing culture, particularly at Toyota, before spreading globally as a management philosophy. It focuses on small, incremental changes that lead to long-term efficiency and excellence in business and personal development. It emphasizes employee involvement, process optimization, and a culture of sustained progress. Brief history and origin of Kaizen. The concept emerged largely through the influence of American quality management experts who came to Japan after World War II, particularly W. Edwards Deming and Joseph Juran, who introduced statistical process control and quality management concepts to Japanese industry. Taichi Ohno, an industrial engineer at Toyota, is considered one of the most significant figures in the development and implementation of Kaizen principles. He integrated Kaizen principles, continuous improvement into the Toyota Production System, TPS, which revolutionized the lean manufacturing and set the global standard. Masaki Imai is credited with popularizing the term Kaizen globally through his book Kaizen, The Key to Japan's Competitive Success, published in 1986. He founded the Kaizen Institute in 1985 to help spread these practices worldwide. Shigeo Shingo, another influential figure at Toyota, also contributed significantly to Kaizen methodologies through his work on eliminating waste, Muda, and developing mistake-proofing, Pokayoke, techniques. Evolution and global adoption. Initially adopted in Japanese industries like Toyota, Sony, and Honda. Gained worldwide recognition between 1980 and 1990, influencing sectors beyond manufacturing, including healthcare, IT, finance, and service industries. Many Fortune 500 companies, such as GE, Ford, and Boeing, have integrated Kaizen into their operational excellence strategies. Let's now discuss the principles of Kaizen. 1. Positive belief that there are always opportunities for improvement. Opportunities are infinite, improvement is inevitable. A positive mindset unlocks endless possibilities for progress and excellence. 2. Everyone can contribute, every day can spark new ideas, and improvement can happen everywhere. Every mind matters, every day sparks change. Innovation flourishes when everyone contributes, everywhere, every day. 3. Big results comes from many small improvements accumulated over a time. Small steps, big impact, excellence is built over time. Consistent, incremental improvements drive monumental success. 4. An open mind fosters out-of-the-box thinking, driving innovative ideas creation. Think beyond limits, innovate, elevate, transform. An open mind ignites creativity, fueling groundbreaking solutions. 5. Engagement of all employees, cultivating a culture of collaboration and innovation. Collaboration fuels excellence, engage, empower, elevate. Harness collective intelligence to build a culture of innovation. 6. No criticism, every idea is valued on merits, fact-based. Ideas matter, facts-led, judgment does not. Every idea deserves respect, merit, and data-drive decisions. 7. Seek root causes, not symptoms, focus on customer value and waste elimination. Solve the root, not just the symptom. True progress comes from eliminating waste and maximizing value. 8. Study impact and support for implementation, make adjustments and standardize. Refine, implement, standardize, make excellence the norm. Assess impact, adapt strategies, and embed best practices. 9. Be resilient and persistent, embrace changes positively. Resilience drives growth, change is the catalyst. Embrace challenges with persistence and a forward-thinking mindset. 10. Never stop, cultivate a culture of continuous improvement. Kaizen never stops, improvement is a way of life. Sustained success is built on the relentless pursuit of betterment. Kaizen is a journey, not a destination. Organizations that embed these principles into their culture create a resilient, forward-thinking, and high-performing ecosystem. By believing in continuous improvement, embracing change, and fostering collaboration, success becomes an ongoing process rather than a final goal.
Do you find the presentation informative and useful? If yes, then click like and also subscribe the channel for free to receive updates. Thank you. For more details contact SN Panigrahi at the below contact details.